What's up guys, here's another video. Hope you're all having a great day. If you're new to my channel, I'm doing daily book giveaways. So all you have to do to enter is comment, and the comment that I like the best is the one I choose to give away a book. So thank you to everyone who entered on yesterday's video. There was a ton of comments that I went through, and I ended up choosing one that says, "Thanks Tanner, knowledge is not power. Knowledge is a necessary tool to achieve power. You need to implement knowledge to get power. Take action, people." So I really like what he said right there. There was tons of great comments. You know, it's hard to choose one winner. I might come up with a different method in the future for choosing the best comment. But anyways, this relates to anything in the business world. If you want to actually achieve something and reach your goals, you can't just attain this knowledge that's in a book or on a course, whatever it is. You have to actually utilize it and apply it to your own businesses and your own life in order to attain the results that you want to get. So it's all about taking action. I really like that guy's comment. That's what it's all about, taking action. So congrats to you, Steven. Make sure you DM me on Instagram your address and I will send you the book. Tools of Titans is a great book by Tim Ferriss. So now, for today's book giveaway, I am giving away this book called Influence, The Psychology of Persuasion. This is a great book that, you know, really goes into depth on, you know, how to get people to buy something, how to get people to actually, you know, agree with you. It's all about psychology. I'm sure whoever wins it is really gonna like it. So if you want to win it, just drop a comment. I'm choosing the best comment. And whoever gets it, gets this book shipped directly to their house. So drop a comment below, and now let's get into this video. So over the past few hours, I have actually been looking at Instagram stories and finding different Instagram story ads. So if you don't know, through Facebook ads, you can run Instagram story ads, and you're able to promote stuff where you can swipe up and check out an article or whatever they're trying to do. So basically, I screen recorded a few of these ads, and I looked at what they're trying to achieve with their ad. So I'm gonna go through a few of these, show you guys sort of what these people are doing, because it's a totally different perspective, you know, maybe from me, from you. You know, everybody has different thoughts, different opinions, so I'm gonna give you guys my insight on what these people are doing with these Instagram story ads. So let's go ahead and show you guys the first one. So I'll give it to this guy. He targeted me as a dropshipper, as an e-commerce guy. So that's a good thing. His targeting is on point with the Facebook ads. That's a good thing he was targeting me. But this guy, Joshua Crisp, $7.25 to 7 figures. That's definitely just a marketing ploy right there. You know, that's a very, very unrealistic thing to say, from $7 to over $1 million. But I guess, you know, you got to start with somewhere. Like some people say, $1 in a dream. You have this money to start, but you have a lot that you want to achieve. So I haven't done too much research on this guy, but I'm not sure if he's legit or not. I actually did not swipe up on his link, but I believe he is selling an Amazon course because he does Amazon FBA. So he's doing alright with the targeting. The ad is alright. I feel like with Instagram story ads, they're more effective if you're actually recording as the person who's promoting the stuff, instead of just like promoting this one little video. So now let's watch the next one real quick.
Yo, if you're tired of posting up content 3 times a day on Instagram trying to get clients, you're liking everyone's photos, and you're not getting any clients, then swipe up. I've got something amazing I want to share with you right now.
Okay, so this guy actually created a whole entire funnel to try and sell something. So basically, this guy was like, hey, if you're trying to do all this stuff on Instagram but you're still not getting clients, then swipe up and check out what I have to say and how you can increase, you know, getting clients. So this guy, he recorded himself. I feel like that's very effective for Instagram story ads, recording yourself saying, you know, what you're talking about. So this guy said, swipe up and I will help you get more clients. So, you know, it's sort of effective depending on who's watching it. For me, you know, that's something that really I don't care about, seeing that ad, but you know, everyone you target is not going to be someone that cares about what you have to say. So I swiped up on his story, as you saw, and you know, you have to enter your email. So he has a funnel, he's collecting all this emails and the data, and then it takes you to a 30-minute video that you can watch on, you know, what he has to say. I didn't really watch any of it at all, but then after you scroll down more and more through the whole entire funnel, then basically you end up at this thing where you can schedule a call with him or with his team, whoever. So I guarantee you, if you were to schedule a call with that guy or whoever it's with, at the bottom of that sales funnel, they're going to try and sell you something on the phone. So, you know, that's a pretty smart perspective depending on what you're trying to sell. I don't know exactly what he's selling, probably a course or, you know, some kind of ebook. I don't know what it is, but I guarantee you, if we were to schedule a call and I got on the phone with him, they are going to try and sell something to me. So I did not schedule a call, But anyways, that guy, I guarantee you he's probably getting a lot of sales off of that. I mean, I'm not sure entirely, but it's a decent funnel depending on what he's targeting. I don't know if he's trying to target like fitness people, social media marketing. I don't know what exactly he's targeting, but just people overall that need to get clients. So now let's go to the next one. Okay, so basically that story ad was just solely targeted towards selling the dream. You know, it was all about travel, you know, the luxury lifestyle, having fun, traveling the world while making money and all that. So basically that video was selling the dream. So I swiped up and went to their website, and I believe that it may be some kind of thing where you work abroad and you're able to work for this company and you travel at the same time. I'm not sure exactly. But, you know, it's a decent ad. It's selling the dream. You know, it's going to create and capture a lot of attention because, as you see on social media platforms, a lot of, like, wealthy, you know, cool-looking stuff that's expensive and is materialistic, you know, it's stuff that people like. So this is about travel. Showed these great video shots of these different parts of the world of people traveling, you know, that's something that's definitely hard to attain. So they're generating attention, and then, you know, out of all this attention that they're gaining, they're going to be able to filter out these people through their website and stuff. I didn't go through the whole process of the survey or whatever it was, but basically, you know, they're filtering out the people that, you know, could possibly work for them or whatever they're trying to sell. I'm not sure exactly. I didn't go through the entire funnel, but, you know, that's a good ad in my opinion. I feel like it'll generate a lot of attention, so that's a good thing to look at. So now let's go to the next one.
So that is how much one of my Shopify stores has done over the last 5 months. Press my profile picture and head on over to my page and leave a follow, as I'll be revealing the exact blueprint I've used to scale my Shopify stores.
Okay, so this guy, I'm not sure exactly where he's from, but you know, he has a cool accent. But one thing that I want to say is I don't know if this is real or not, because, you know, it's sort of sketchy. When you see these ads of people showing, you know, Shopify results on a desktop, you know, you can fake it, you can edit it and stuff like that. I mean, you can edit on the phone too, but like, he's not really showing it on his computer, on his phone. You know, he's directly just has a clip placed in that ad at the very beginning. It says, total sales, $274,000. And you know, that is from July to December. I'm not sure the exact date, but basically it's just showing those sales. And then he's like, alright, here, come check out my profile and I will tell you how to do this stuff. Go follow me. So you go to this guy's profile and, you know, I can't really tell if it's real or not. It may just be a marketing employee, a little entrepreneur wannabe, and people just want to get followers and get attention and look like they're making money, but they're not. You know, I've seen a lot of people do that. I'm not throwing any shade. You know, I can't accuse these people of faking results, of faking or editing the pictures and stuff like that. But, you know, it's a little bit suspicious. That's just all I have to say for that. He's basically just trying to attain followers. I don't know how it's working, but he targeted me, so I guess that's a good thing. So now let's go to the next one. Okay, so this one says college dropout makes $1,000 plus daily. Click my profile to learn how to do it. So it's another one of those things. You're selling the dream. You're selling, oh, $1,000 a day. Depending on who you're targeting, you may get a lot of clicks on your profile. You may not. But basically, I feel like this guy, you know, he's probably trying to sell some kind of course or mentorship or something like that. Because if we were to go to his profile, he would probably be trying to sell us something where you have to pay him, and then he'll supposedly help you, maybe send you an ebook. I don't know what it is, but he's trying to sell the dream of making over $1,000 a day. It's not as easy as it seems to do that. So it's definitely, you know, it's one of those ads that's bringing attention, but, you know, maybe not the best attention because it's not specifically zoning in on, you know, how he's actually making the money. So now the next one. Okay, so that guy, I like the video. It's very high quality. It's a cool scenic place. And he's like, you can't focus, swipe up and check out what I have. So I don't know why the sound didn't record on that clip right there, But when you swipe up, it takes you to a store where they're selling this kind of like powder stuff. I guess you mix it with a drink. But basically this sort of focus substance. So I like what they did with the captions. It shows right on there. You know, the guy's in a cool place. It's very high quality video. I like what he's doing with it. I'm sure they're definitely generating some attention there going to the website, because he's not, you know, solely promoting, hey, this is my product, swipe up and buy it. He's asking these people, you know, do you have a problem? Here, I can help it, swipe up. So that's a good thing with sales and, you know, these funnels and story ads and stuff. You know, you have to qualify people. You say, hey, you have problems focusing? Swipe up, check out what I have for you. So, you know, he's qualifying these people that can't focus, they need help, and they want a solution to that. So they swipe up and they see what they have to get. So I'm not sure exactly how many sales they're making, but hey, I like the ad, keep it up. So now let's get into the last one that I have for you guys. Okay, so that was sort of a weird ad. It just said financial freedom on a note, and then you tore it off. So that was a little bit weird, but I mean, hey, it might generate attention or not. I swiped up on it, and it was basically a long funnel to sell a book that is being written in the future. And I saw the book is being written by this guy about sales or something like that. But you know, that guy wasn't in the ad. I feel like it would be much more, you know, effective if the guy's like, hey, I'm writing this new book about influence, whatever it is. So I'm not sure how well that ad is doing, if they're making sales off of that funnel. In my opinion, I didn't really like that ad. I felt like it was just a little bit boring. Financial freedom. I wouldn't swipe up on that. I would skip it. So that's all I have to say about these story ads. I'm curious, if you guys want me to do like a part 2 of this video where I actually go through these funnels and I actually buy whatever they're selling, or get in a call with them, a sales call, or I follow these people and DM them and be like, hey, help me with dropshipping, stuff like that. I don't know if that's something you guys would like to see. I feel like that would be pretty entertaining, because that's something I realized that I thought I should have done after I started filming this video, when I was actually, you know, just showing you guys the ads and telling you what I think of them. So anyways, before I end off this video, this book, Influence, if you want to win this, I'll be announcing it in tomorrow's video. Just comment below. I'll be picking the best comment and giving this book away. So thank you all so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.